Hello everyone, I am Rashmika from Microvista Technologies Private Limited. In today's video, we present to you India's first cloud-based software for XBRL filing. Now we directly move to software. This is online software. It will be open from anywhere, anytime on any browser. Once you open the browser, type our URL c2x.microvistatech.com. Now you see our software login page is open. For new registration, sign up option is given, where you fill all the details and generate your login credentials. Then after, whenever you log in, company master page is open, where you add, select and modify the company. In this page, we give another tabs for bulk import company master, user manual for users. Now we click on add company. Company detail page is open. In there, you just fill the scene number and click on the pre-fill button. All master details fetched from MCA portal, then you just click on submit button. The company is created and show in company master page. Now you click on company name, then add year page is open, where you add and select the year of filing. Click on add year, fill the current year details, select the taxonomy either company is applicable in Ind AS or CNI. We also give checkbox for company is first time applicable in XBRL or yes no option for first time adopt Ind AS taxonomy. So software automatically select that format. Now submit the year details. You can see your financial year is displayed in the year detail page. Now once year is created, on same page you have one more option for previous XML import. If you have previous XML file, then import the same, so your work is 50% less and you can fill only current year data. Previous year data will be automatically filled in the software. In this option, software will import any XML file generated from any software. And now you can see the last XML import date and time also give in this page. Then you click on the year and you can see all the schedule page. Then click on any schedule and see the previous year detail is automatically come because we import previous XML. For data punching, you have three options. You direct copy paste from Excel or Word or any soft copies. Second option is Excel tagging and third option is manual punching from respective fields. Red elements are mandatory and when you click on link button, software will redirect on notes page on particular head. In that notes page, you can copy paste data from any soft copies. You can see the validation button on every schedule page. When you click on validation, after fill the all data, error will come. To show the particular error, click on green color arrow and understand this issue and solve the errors. At last moment, number of errors are very less. So you can fill every schedule according to this. In same page also we give the search element facility where you can find any schedules elements. In validation part we give two types of validations. First is validation all. In that you see all the schedules validation status. If any of schedule validation is missing, that show error sign. If validation is done, that shows green right sign. The another option is advanced validation. With the help of this, you can see all the list of mandatory elements. Those you can't fill or not applicable on your company. From this validation, you just single click on checkbox, automatically select all mandatory field with 0 or not applicable accordingly. After you fill all the data and doing the validations, you go to XBRL menu and click on generate XBRL button. Then click on generate XML button. Once file is generated, you download on system and now you can see last generated date and time also mentioned on this page. After generation, you go to validation menu and download MCA validation tool and upload your XML file in selected taxonomy. In case at the time of validations, any error is come, we give the function of error locator where you can copy paste the error and click on submit button. You see all errors convert into link. Then you click on any error, they will redirect to the particular schedule or field. After solve the all errors, you can regenerate the XML file and validate in MCA validation tool. After validation and pre-scrutiny is done, then you can submit on MCA portal. For more details, please feel free to contact us.